Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Windows File Recovery. First, ensure you have a separate storage device to save recovered files, as recovering to the same drive can overwrite lost data. Next, identify the type of file system on your affected drive, such as NTFS or FAT, as this determines the best recovery mode. Finally, download and install the Windows File Recovery tool from the Microsoft Store before beginning. To begin, open the Windows File Recovery application from the Start menu, making sure to run it as an administrator. You'll then use command line syntax, specifying the source drive where files were lost and a distinct destination drive for saving recovered data. For example, use WinFor C, D, /regular to recover from C drive to D drive using regular mode. Remember to use the correct switches for your specific file types. For more challenging situations, consider using advanced modes. Segment mode, activated with /segment, is ideal for recovering files from corrupted NTFS drives. If your drive is severely damaged or formatted, signature mode, using /signature, can find specific file types like JPEG or PDFs across all partitions. You can also refine your search with filters, such as / and asterisk. DocX to target only Word documents, or /s for specific sizes. Always stop using the affected drive immediately after data loss to maximize your chances of successful recovery. Any new data written can permanently overwrite your lost files. Also, ensure your destination drive has ample free space, ideally more than the data you're trying to recover. If you encounter errors, double-check your command syntax and try different recovery modes. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.